What's up, guys? This is Felix. Today we're working on a 2006 Honda Odyssey. Now I know there's a lot of people having the same problem with the automatic doors don't work, the electric doors don't work, and there's a simple solution on how to fix it. This may fix your problem, it may not, but there's a high chance your problem is right here. I mean, you can try to press the buttons and the doors won't open. And what you have to do is you have to reset the system for the electric doors. So what you have to do is you got to remove this cover right here next to the brake pedal. And the fuse you have to take out will be this one, where it says backup. This is the fuse you have to remove. It's fuse number 7. Which is this guy right here. Okay, you have to take out this fuse right here, which is the number 7, this fuse. You gotta take it out using some pliers. Take it out and just wait like 10 seconds and then put it back on. And you should try to open the doors again and it should work. Now, some people are saying that this is just like a temporary fix, that it only works for a little bit. But I mean, there's also other people saying that it works and it fixed your problem. So I mean, it doesn't hurt to try. So like I said, just remove the fuse, leave it off for 10 seconds, then put it back on and try to see if the problem is fixed. If this video helped you, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and you can watch my other videos. And as always, peace.